Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this episode we're going to clean up a bunch of Powr-Kraft tools that I have collected. Some generously sent to me from others, a few that I picked up on my own. I might even clean up that half-inch socket set that I bought in, let me see, I think it must have been about 1964. So they've been around for a while, never failed me. I don't recall it. I mean, I've always kept them clean and wiped off after I use them, but I might give them a good going over. So we'll see. May or may not get to that part of it. But anyway, let me stop rambling here and let's get right into the Powr-Kraft tool cleanup. Here we go. Before I get started on the Powr-Kraft tools, I thought I'd show you all something that I've been doing. I'm trying to organize my garage a little better than it has been. And in doing so, I made up a bunch of these little magnetic tags. Made a whole bunch of them. And this way I can put them on the drawers or the toolboxes and they'll stick, but I can take them off and move them around if I need to, because I'm sure I'll be rearranging things. So anyway, I just thought I'd show that to you guys. Let me move around here a little bit. As you can see, this is a work in progress. I made a whole bunch of extras so I can move them around and put them on different toolboxes and stuff. Thought you might be interested in that. I use some, you can get inkjet magnetic sheets, and that's what I use to print them on, and then I just cut them up. Alright, it is long past time for me to get into cleaning up these Powr-Kraft tools. They come from various places. These screwdrivers were sent to me by either James at Bigfoot's Cave, Jesse at Check This Tool, or let's see, who else? My daughter, MK. So I've kind of lost track of the screwdrivers. But anyway, these beautiful Powr-Kraft wrenches were sent to me by Jesse. And they don't need anything. I'm just going to go right ahead and put them in the toolbox. These will require a little cleanup. Jesse, or I beg your pardon, James at Bigfoot's Cave sent me this stuff, and I'll work on them a little bit. These are some that I collected on my own, and my daughter sent me this among some other Powr-Kraft tools. Nice. So from this point on, they're going to be kind of all mixed together, and it's time to get them cleaned up and put away. Sorry about the fan noise. It's real hot in here today. I have been trying to clean up this Powr-Kraft folding rule that James sent me at Bigfoot's Cave, and I've not had a whole lot of luck. There was one piece here that I tried all kinds. I thought this was paint originally. It's not paint. It's just where the paint on the grill has worn through. So you can see I kind of ruined that piece right there. Tried different solvents and scraping, what have you. I'm going to leave it alone. I'm going to just leave it alone. I've had it soaking in some mild dishwashing detergent overnight. What I'm going to do at this point, I'm going to leave it well enough alone. I'm going to wash it good. I'm going to let it dry in the sun, and then I'm going to use the Dremel to clean up these metal parts. So I'm not going to show all that. It's going to be kind of tedious and wouldn't be that interesting anyway. But hopefully it will look a little better when I'm through. So that is the status of that one right there. Alright, I am going to stop at this point before I do any damage to this thing, worse than it already is. Whoops, pushing the wrong way. Cleaned up the metal parts as best I could. I hit these very lightly, this part, with a bristle disc, that's what they're called. So I'm going to stop there because I'm afraid if I do any more, I'm going to do more damage than I am good. So I'm going to pronounce this done and put it in with the other tools. Alright, I have done a little bit of sorting. These beautiful Powr-Kraft wrenches were sent to me by Jesse. Had checked this tool along with the toolbox that I redid in a recent video. So these need nothing, no work at all, and I'm going to put them right into the toolbox. This half-inch set here is the set that I bought way back in the 60s. It really doesn't need anything either. So put those there for now. I've done a little bit of sorting. These tools don't really need anything but maybe a wipe down, possibly a little time in the ultrasonic cleaner. We'll see. I'm going to put these in the Evap-O-Rust, and there's a few little rust spots here, and I tried to get this out with the wire brush and wasn't able to, so I'm going to try the Evap-O-Rust for a short time. Hopefully it won't damage the finish. And while these are soaking, the screwdrivers, I will, I'm not sure when I'll do them, but they'll be in this video for sure. They just need a little cleanup. Some of the shafts could use a little session with the conditioning belts, I think. So that's where we are now.
The antique radio guys use this stuff a lot for knobs and plastic parts, stuff like that. I like it. I'll put a link in the description if anyone's interested. I'm going to give a lot of this stuff a coat of Johnson paste wax that was kindly sent to me by Big Vic. So I've not used this stuff before, but a lot of the guys use it and swear by it, so I think I'm going to give it a try. Okay, you get the idea. Let that stuff dry a little bit and then buff it out. There are too many of these tools to show in one frame, so I'm going to do 2 frames and show all the tools. This is the tray from the toolbox that I recently redid that was given to me by Jesse at Check This Tool. These are my Powr-Kraft 1/2 inch set that I bought many years ago, back in the 60s. Here's the speed wrench that goes with it. Here's the folding reel that James at Bigfoot's Cave sent me, and Jesse sent these, I'm pretty sure. Beautiful, beautiful Powr-Kraft wrenches. So these are going to go in the toolbox, and now I'll show the next batch. Here are the rest of the tools, the Powr-Kraft tools, after some cleanup. I've kind of lost track of who all sent these to me. I know that I collected a few myself. My daughter sent some. James at Bigfoot's Cave sent some of them, and Jesse at Check This Tool sent some. So these are going to go in that awesome toolbox that Jesse sent me a few weeks back, and there we go. There's my small but growing Powr-Kraft collection. I think these screwdrivers are especially cool. Ward's Powr-Kraft. So into the toolbox they go.
Okay, there you have it, my friends. We cleaned up some Powr-Kraft tools. They're all ready to go into the Powr-Kraft toolbox that Jesse at Check This Tool generously sent to me a few weeks ago. So I enjoyed that. The little collection's coming along and looking pretty good. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, leave a comment. I love to read the comments, And we'll see you next time. Bye now.